Today we study about the phytogeographical regions of India or botanical zones of India. India is divided into 9 botanical zones or regions by D. Chatterjee in 1962. These 9 regions are Western Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, Indus Plain, Gangetic Plain, Central India, Malabar, Deccan Plateau, Assam, Bay Islands of Andaman and Nicobar. Today we start with the Western Himalayas. The Himalayas reach for higher range of mountains, one of the most important botanical regions of India. It extends from Kumaon to Kashmir and has annual rainfall up to 200 centimeters. Altitudinally, there are following 3 zones of vegetation corresponding to 3 climatic belts. They are sub-mountain zone, temperate zone and alpine zone. First one, sub-mountain zone. This zone extends from 300 to 1500 meters altitude and comprises mostly of Shivalik ranges. The forests are tropical and subtropical and dominated by timber tree Shorea robusta in the region, receiving rainfall over 1000 mm. Trees like Dalbergia sisu, Cendrela tuna, Ficus glomerata, Eugenia jumbolana, Butea monosperma. In grassy areas, Ziziphus and thorny succulent euphorbias develop on the slopes. Pinus roxburghi begins to appear at the height of 1000 to 1500 meters. Then temperate zone. Above sub-mountain zone extend temperate zone forest between 1500 to 3500 meters altitude. Pinus roxburghi is gradually replaced by Pinus excelsa. They are dominated by plant species such as Quercus, Acer, Ulmus, Rhododendron, Betula, Salix, Populus, Ornus, Prunus, Fraginus, Pinus, Cedrus, Picea and Taxus. Then third subzone of Western Himalaya is Alpine zone. This zone extends from 3500 to 4500 meters altitude and is characterized with alpine forest vegetation with scrub and meadows. With the increasing height, the plant shape becomes more cushion-like and small. With the increasing height, The plant shape becomes more cushion-like and small. Most common tree species are Abies, Betula, Juniperus, and Rhododendron. The herbs which occur near the snow line include species such as Primula, Potentilla, Polygonum, Geranium, Saxifraga, Aster, and Delphinium, etc. Then the second botanical zone, it is Eastern Himalayas. It includes regions of Sikkim up to Upper Assam, Darjeeling, and Nepal, northeast states of India, along with Nepal, and characterized by more rainfall, less snow, and higher temperature. This Eastern Himalaya is also divided into following three zones altitudinally. They are tropical zone, temperate zone, and alpine zone. First one, tropical zone. Up to 1800 meters altitude, this zone has tropical semi-evergreen or moist deciduous forest. This mixed zone, due to warm and humid conditions, is typically consist of dense forests of Shorea robusta. These forests comprise the plants such as Shorea robusta, Acacia catechu, Dalbergia sisu, Terminalia species, Albizia species, Cedrela species, Dendrocalamus species, that is bamboo, Tuna ciliate species, Baunia species, etc. Second subzone of Eastern Himalaya is temperate zone. This zone extends between 1800 meters to 3500 meters altitude and has typical mountain temperate forests which are dominated by oaks such as Michelia, Quercus, Pyrus, Symplochus, Eugenia, etc. at lower levels, and by conifers as Juniperus, Cryptomeria, Abies, Pinus, Larix, and Suga, and also Salix, Rhododendron, and Arundinaria at higher, cooler levels. The last subdivision of Eastern Himalaya is Alpine zone. This temperate zone extends Alpine zone up to 5000 meters altitude. It has alpine vegetation including Juniperus and Rhododendron with its other typical flora. This is all about the first two botanical zones, that is Western Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. Both the Western and Eastern Himalayas, they are again subdivided into three regions. In Western Himalayas, submontana zone, temperate zone, and alpine zone, while in Eastern Himalayas it is divided into tropical zone, temperate zone, and alpine zone. In next class, we study about the remaining 7 botanical zones of India, that is Indus Plain, Gangetic Plain, Central India, Malabar, Deccan Plateau, Assam, and Bay Islands of Andaman and Nicobar. Thank you.